How I would describe the Powerbox is taking a regular pickup truck and turning it into a service truck. I'm Derek Bush. I'm a maintenance manager for a company called Manley Brothers. I've had my box for probably about 6 months or so. Buying a Powerbox kind of came to me when I was back on the farm and we did a lot of stuff in the field. We were kind of out in the middle of nowhere, no power, no nothing. To be able to keep my pickup truck a pickup truck and turn it into a service truck at the same time was just a huge plus for us. And I took that and transferred it into the industry here, and it works great. We're never in one spot for very long, and we're always out in the field where there's usually not power. So being able to charge batteries and run power tools in the field is just a huge plus for us out here. We had the 125-foot man lift in kind of a position where not many things could get to it. Went to go fire it up one morning and it was dead, of course. We were able to use the Powerbox to pull up alongside of it, throw the jumper cables out and get it jump started. It worked out good for us. Instead of toting around a welding trailer or trying to get a welder generator out to the spot that we're at with a forklift, now I can just take my truck that I've already got, all my tools are there, and we can do whatever we need. Someone's on the fence about buying a Powerbox, I think one of the best things to kind of show them or to explain to them is just how handy it is to have something that runs quietly. You don't have to have fuel on site for it. You just start your truck and it charges, and you have all you need: air, power, anything you can think of. So I would definitely say the price is justified. Between the air compressor, the jump start, the work lights, the radio, the welder, it's got all the options you could need. So I can pretty much take this and do whatever I need to do and not have to worry about anything additional. Why can I weld anywhere on the job site? Because I can. CIC Powerbox.